YamahaGP1300R, a quick test to see if your jet drive is suspect or if the motor is suspect. Put a spanner on the short shaft assembly, and if the short shaft moves, then that means the jet drive is loose and the engine is not moving. That means the engine has caught onto something. This is just a quick diagnostic. YamahaGP1300R. Okay, in some countries the gasoline has been enriched with ethanol, and on these jet skis obviously the ethanol might start to make the injectors sticky, which means that they stay open. Now what happened here is the ethanol started to corrode, as you can see, on the crank and the bearings, and it caused it to totally seize up and not work properly anymore, resulting in the fact that we're going to have to change out the crank. So this is what the ethanol, one part of what ethanol does in your motors if not regulated perfectly. Okay, so we've disassembled the motor. Just to show you guys what it looks like, the consequential damages of the ethanol in the engine and leaving it for too long made the injectors stuck on an open position. It flooded the crank casing, causing all of this rust. Look at these thrust washers, and the crank is solid. Look at the bottom, and obviously not turning. So the engine was not managed properly with ethanol enriched fuel, and this is the cause. So here you can see still some of the residual ethanol enriched fuel left in the crank casing from the leaking injectors. Was left too long, unfortunately ruining the engine. Okay, so the ethanol causes like a tackiness to stick, and obviously we're using engine degreaser, and you can see it's water soluble. Look how easy it comes off, but once it's stuck in all over the bearings, it's going to cause dramatic effects. 0.016. Okay, so the crank's all swapped out. I did new pistons, new bearings, and now we're just going to connect all the little odd ends and pieces, and then voila, we've got a working motor again. Okay, so ethanol damage has begun and the motor has been given a new pass to life. And this is the only equipment that we use to complete this job.